Hi everyone, welcome to my maths classes. This is your SRK sir. So dear friends, in previous session we have discussed problems related to exercise related to exponents and powers chapter. Now in this session we are going to discuss remaining problems related to the same exercise. That is question number from 7th problem to 10th problem. Okay. So I hope you have followed the previous videos of this exercise. If you do not follow, please do watch those videos and continue this video. Okay. So in this video, we are going to discuss problems related to exercise 4. So particularly these problems are based on laws of exponents. So what are those laws of exponents? We already recalled, revised in previous session. Now once again we revise those laws of exponents here. So what are those laws of exponents? These are most important and very important to solve problems. Okay. So what are those? Yeah. A power m into a power n is equal to e to the power of m plus n, and e to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to e to the power of m into n, and a by b whole to the power of m is equal to e to the power of m by b to the power of m, where b is not equal to 0, and similarly a power m into b power m can be written as ab whole to the power of m. So like this we have written so many few laws of exponents. If e to the power of minus n can be written as 1 by e to the power of n, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, clear. Similarly, if e to the power of m by a power m by a power n is equal to e to the power of m minus n, where m is greater than n. Okay, so like this we have discussed few formulas, few laws of exponents. So if you are perfect with these laws of exponents, so it is easier to solve the problems. Okay, medium. Now to solve question number 7, so which formula is easy, means relevant to the problem? See what is given here. Here given 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. This denominator is 2 power x. It is not 2 power 1 by x. Okay, it is 1 by, the denominator is 2 power x. Now we can write it as, see simply, 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to, this can be written as 1 by a power n. See reverse, 1 by a power n. This can be written as a power minus n. Similarly here also it can be written as 2 to the power of minus x. This can be written as 2 to the power of minus x. So I am writing 2 to the power of minus x. Okay. Now here one formula is, another one is, we know that if a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, if and only if m is equal to n. See here base is equal and the middle is equal to sign, so that powers also equal. So in the same way here also 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power of minus x. Here also base is equal and the middle is equal to sign, then powers are equal. Therefore I can write here minus 3 is equal to minus x. Minus 3 is equal to minus x. The reason is, yeah, if e to the power of m is equal to, if e to the power of m is equal to e to the power of n, then m is equal to n. So same formula. So here the reason is same. So m is equal to n. So that here what is my final value of x? X is equal to 3. It's simple or not? So what is our final answer? 3. X value is 3. They ask us to find x. Okay, clear. Now we will solve next problem of the same exercise. Dear children, in exponents and powers chapter, we are solving problems related to exercise 4.1. Okay, not 4.2, 4.1. In that, now we are going to solve question number 8. Okay, most important. They ask us to simplify this expression. Okay, so what is given? 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 square bracket into 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. See, if you observe here, every power has some negative power. Okay, negative exponent. It has negative exponent. So that how to simplify it? Yeah, we know that one more formula, that is if a by b whole to the power of minus m. If I write like this, if we want to eliminate or remove this negative sign in the power, in the exponent, we should write reciprocal of a by b. What is here base? Base is a by b. If we write reciprocal of this base in the result, then we can ignore this minus sign. Okay, so here formula is a by b whole to the power of minus m can be written as b by a whole to the power of m. Okay, clear beta? Now, so by using that concept, we can solve. By using that formula, we can solve this problem. We can simplify this expression. Okay, let me write what is given as it is. So 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2. I am writing given problem into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. Now what I am going to do, I am applying this formula here and I am writing here the base is 3 by 4. I am writing reciprocal of 3 by 4. Then it becomes 4 by 3 power 2 plus 2. We can remove now minus sign. Divided by keep as it is. Now here 5 by 4 whole to the power of plus 3 into 5 by 3 whole to the power of plus 2. Is it clear? Now, if you observe, it is somewhat better for us because we know how to solve if the exponent is positive. Okay. Before we got a negative powers, so we got somewhat confusion. So to avoid that one, we have converted all exponents into positive numbers. Okay, clear? Now, 4 by 3 whole square. How to write it? Yeah, we can write it as 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. Now I am writing divided by symbol. I am converting into multiplicative symbol. Okay. So let it be as it is. We can change like this. 4 by 3 whole square. Okay, let it be. Now I am converting division symbol into multiplicative symbol. Then we have to write the reciprocal of 5 by 4 here. Okay. So then it becomes, or else it becomes, we can write it as 5 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. Okay, beta. Into, so 5 by 3 whole square. That means divided by means it is in the denominator. If you bring it to numerator, it becomes negative power. Okay, so that I have converted. Now 4 by 3 whole square into 5 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 here. A negative exponent we have to change into positive by using this formula. Then it can be written as 4 by 5 whole cube. Clear? Into 5 by 3 whole square. Into 5 by 3 whole square. Here bases are not equal. So how to simplify it? Just expand it. Then it is easy for us to simplify. So that I am writing 4 by 3 whole square as 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 5 whole cube is here. So we have to multiply 4 by 5 itself 3 times. We have to multiply 4 by 5 3 times itself. So 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 3 times I have written into 5 by 3 whole square. So we have to multiply 5 by 3 itself 2 times. 2 times itself we have to multiply. Now simplify. Here 5, 2 5s gets cancelled. Any other? So it is not possible. So how many 4s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 4 to the power of 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4 4s are here. 3 power 4 into 5. If you want, we can simplify. So 4 to the power of 5. How to write 4 to the power of 5? Yeah, 4 4 is 6. We can leave like this, or else we can simplify. See how to simplify. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 4 is 64 4 is 256, 256 into 4. So 256 into 4. This can be written as, of course we get 1024. Okay, 1024 by 3 power 4 value 81. It is not 34. 3 to the power of 4 into 5. 81 5 there we get here 405. 81 into 5 5 and 5 5 8 40 405. So this is the final answer. Okay. So what is my conclusion? 1024 by 405 is the answer. If we simplify, we get, if we simplify this expression, we get the final answer 1024 by 405. So by using laws of exponents, we can simplify the fractions also. Okay. Is it clear or not? So it is very clear, and you can generate like these problems, and you can try yourself by using laws of exponents. We can simplify the given expressions. Dear students, in this exercise 4.1 part 3, now we are going to solve question number 9, which is most selected problem. It is a very selected model for even competitive exams also. Okay, see how to solve this question. They are given m and n values, and they are given some expressions to simplify this. Okay, if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, then find the value of 9m square minus 10n cube. That means we have to replace m and n by 3 and 2 respectively. Is it? So that I am writing here 9 into m value is 3 square minus 10 into n cube. N cube means 2 cube. Okay, clear? Now we know how to simplify. 9 3 square value. 3 square value means 3 into 3 20. I am sorry. 3 into 3 9. Minus 10 into 2 cube value. 2 cube value can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 10 into 8. Okay. Now 9 into 9, 81. Minus 10 into 8, 80. So the difference is how much? 1. So the value of 9m square minus 10n cube is equal to 1. Okay, clear beta? Now we are going to solve second expression, that is 2m square n square, where m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Just putting the values of m and n in the given expression and simplifying. See, very easy. 2 into m value is 3, so 3 square, n square, n value is 2, n square means 2 square, 2 square. Now simplification. 2 into 3 square value 3 into 3 9, and 2 square value 2 into 2 4. So how much? 2 9 are 18, 18 4 are 72. So we got 2m square n square value 72. Now come to the next one, that is 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. Very simple, just writing and simplifying. So here also we have to follow some BODMAS rule. Still we will come to know now here how to use it. 2 into m cube, m value is 3, so that 3 cube plus 3n square, where n is equal to 2, so n square means 2 square, minus 5m square m square, m value is 3 square into n value is n itself, n value is how much? 2. Okay, clear beta? Now simplification. 3 cube value. So 3 into 3 9. Don't write like 3 cube is 3. You have to multiply 3 itself 3 times. You have to multiply 3 times itself. 3 into 3 27. What is the next one? Plus 3 into 2 square. 2 square value 4 minus 5 into 3 square value 3 into 3. Some of you doing 3 into 2 6. No, 3 square, the meaning is 3, you have to multiply itself 2 times. 3 into 3. A square is equal to A into A cube is equal to A into A into A. Okay, like that 3 square is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, now we have to simplify it. See how to simplify. 227 jar 54 plus 3 4 are 12 minus 5 are 10 into 9 90 And if we simplify, we get 54 plus 12 gives us 66 minus 90. The final answer is, what is the 66 minus 90 value? 24. Yes, minus 24. Because bigger number is having negative sign, so that this plus 66 minus 90 is equal to minus 24. Clear, beta? Now, this is the most important one. M to the power of n minus n to the power of m. Here m and n values are given. In competitive exams also this type of question more number of times appear in the competitive examination papers. Okay. So m power n, what is the m value of m? 3 power n value 2 minus n value 2 power n power m value 3. So 3 square, 3 into 3 9 minus 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 8. So 9 minus 8 value is 1. Is it clear? So finally what is the answer for m power n minus n power m? 1. Whether these are easy or very easy, just you have to apply the laws of exponents. Here of course maximum simplification part only here, just expansion. So this is the most selected question for competitive exams also. So dear friends, don't neglect this exponents powers topic. It is useful in other subjects also like chemistry, physics also. So how much important it is in these other subjects like physical science and biological science, we will come to know in the next exercise, that is exercise 4.2. So after completion of these problems, we will next session, in next video I will solve questions related to exercise 4.2. Okay. So to get notifications, so you should subscribe our channel, and also you should keep bell icon, hit the bell icon to get notifications. And also don't forget with your friends, share with your friends. Okay, beta. Now we are going to solve last problem of this exercise, that is question number 10. What is the question number 10? That is simplify 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 7. So here also it is having negative exponents. Okay, here also it has a negative exponent, so how to convert into positive? So by using this 8th laws of exponents. This one a by b whole to the power of minus m is equal to b by a whole to the power of m. Just if you write the reciprocal of base, the negative exponent becomes positive one. So okay, so this one. So simple. So fadafada I am solving. See, 4 by 7, actually given expression is 4 by 7 into minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 7. I am trying to change the negative exponent into positive one, so that I am writing this one reciprocal of base into 4 by 7 whole to the power of plus 7. Here what is the formula, which formula we have used here? That is, we have applied here a by b whole to the power of minus m is equal to b by a whole to the power of plus m. Okay, b by a whole to the power of plus m. So now this can be written as, so 7 power 5 by 4 power 5 into, am I correct or not? See, a by b whole to the power of m can be written as a power m by b power m. Okay, so then it can be written as 4 by 7 by, 4 power 7 by 7 power 7. So we are applied here a by b whole to the power of m can be written as a power m by b power m. A power m by b power m. So next, now in two ways we can solve this question. That is, we can expand and we can simplify, or we can use the laws of exponents also. So just I am expanding and writing. See, 7 power 5 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 4 power 7 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, like this 7 times. So if you are unable to solve this problem in easy by applying the formula, you can go through this method also, no problem. So 4 power 5 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Again 7 4 7 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 7 times you are right. Here 5 times completed. So 2 times. So remaining 2 times. Okay, clear. Now see here 7 power 5 I have written 7 5 times 1 2 3 4 5. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times I multiplied 7. Okay. Now here 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 cancel. Here 1 2 3 4 5. Here also in the denominator 4 5. 4 itself multiplied by 5 times. So what are the remaining in the numerator? 2 4s are remaining. In the denominator 2 7s are remaining. So answer is 16 by 49. So 4 4 they are 16 by 7 7 they are 49. So this is the final answer. Sir, I want to apply laws of exponents. You can apply. How? So this 7 power 5 by 7 power 7 together we should write. See how like this. See. Just I am erasing these laws of exponents. So this is the last problem now, so that I have erased it. So now from here I am explaining 7 to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 7 I have written together. I mean so because of same base, so I have written like this. And what does remain? 4 power 7 by 4 power 5. Okay, 4 power 5. Now here, since here in this exponent 5 7 7 is greater, so that I am writing this one as like this: 1 by 7 to the power of 7 minus 5 into here 4 to the power of 7 minus 5. Since here 7 is greater than 5, so I have applied this formula. What is the relevant formula here? That is a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n when m is greater than n. When m is greater than n. And if m is less than n, 1 by n minus m. So this formula we have applied here. Now we know how to simplify. 4 power 7 minus 5 can written as 4 square by denominator 7 power 7 minus 5 2. That means 4 square value 4 into 4 16. 7 square value 7 into 7 49. Okay, in the same way we can approach any method, no issue, but by applying laws of exponents you have to go this procedure. But suppose if you did not get the idea, so we can explain like this also. Okay, that is why I have given this type of solution also, no issue. Okay, so thank you everyone. So this is, I hope you are clear about this. If you have any queries, you can message me. Okay, my number is on the screen, and please share with your friends without fail. So my dear students, I request you to comment in the comments box. Thank you.